guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. It is free, so why not? And if you're not new, thank you for coming back and joining me again. You guys probably know, if you've been following me for a bit, it had just recently hit my 1-year mark of my big chop. So I was literally like bald a year ago, and now my hair is in a bun. I went from bald to bun, which is crazy. Like this, but can we hit the thumbs up button for my bun today, my little top knot bun? I did not think I'd be able to tie my hair up at the 1-year mark, and I just had to go back and reflect and bring you guys a list of 10 things that actually helped my hair grow. I feel like I always make videos like this about my hair growth, but people still ask, what can I use to make my hair grow? And you can't really use anything to make your hair grow, but you can help your hair be strong, retain length, and stimulate your follicles to maybe help push out some extra hair kind of thing. But you can only do so much. Everybody is different. But I will give you guys, because people are asking, a list of 10 things that actually, 10 simple things that actually helped my hair grow. So this is not anything gimmicky. This is simple. I'm gonna try to keep this quick. We have 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to go in and give you guys the 10 things that have actually helped my hair grow, okay? There are specific things I use for my hair growth routine. So I'm gonna give it to you guys, 10 things. Let's do this quick and let's go. Okay, so the first thing on my list is the peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is great for stimulating your scalp. It's great for waking up your follicles and kind of getting blood flowing. And when you have blood flowing, it'll help your hair grow through those follicles, maybe a little bit faster, or if they were just a bit slower, it can revitalize them, supposedly. So I like to buy products that have peppermint oil in them, or you can use straight peppermint oil, dilute it a little bit, make your own little concoction. Peppermint oil is great for your hair follicles, so that is one thing you could try. The next thing is Jamaican black castor oil. This is one of my go-tos when it comes to growing out my edges. Jamaican black castor oil is something that I used twice a day to really bring my edges back to life. It did not play. I used it morning and night for about 3 weeks, and it really helped bring my edges back. But you cannot slack with it. I use the extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. You can use ones with like other herbs in it too, and I used it religiously. So these are things that I use religiously. Do not sleep on consistency. These are not magical products, but they do help make your scalp healthier, which in turn can possibly help your hair grow a little better. In addition to the Jamaican black castor oil, I like to use vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is what I would say is my, the most powerful thing that I use in my routine. Vitamin E oil with the Jamaican black castor oil twice a day on my edges really brought things back to life. I've done it in the past. It is my go-to. Those are my 2 main things if I quickly want to bring my edges back to reality, because sometimes they disappear. Let's be real, with all the wigs and stuff, they go on vacation sometimes. So when I want to get them back, those are the things that I really go to first. Okay, so now when it comes to retaining length, the first thing I use, the first go-to mask that I use is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Mask. This has been keeping my hair alive for years. It strengthens my hair, it moisturizes my hair to the point where it minimizes my breakage so much that my hair grows enough and fast enough and strong enough to last me. Do you get what I'm saying? So because this is such a powerful product for me, it helps my hair stay so healthy that I can retain length and moisture and health and everything else. Along with the Shea Moisture Mask, another product that I've been using for strengthening my hair in order to retain length is the Blue Magic Cholesterol Rinse. This product, I don't know what it is about the cholesterol situation in that, but it helps my hair. It helps my hair so much, and it helps it be strong. It helps it retain moisture. So when I use that rinse, everything I put in my hair actually stays in my hair. It doesn't dry out. So after I use that rinse, if I put in a leave-in, an oil, and some water, my hair will stay hydrated all week. But with this being said, if your hair is healthy, hydrated, and strong, your hair will not break as much, and you will retain more of the length that you are bringing in every single month. So those are my 2 masks that I go to strengthen my hair and make sure my hair is not breaking. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is a head massager. So I have this little head massager that I use in the shower, and I scrub my scalp with it when I'm in there just to wake up my scalp, my follicles, get some blood flowing, blood circulating, and that also helps with hair growth. So every week I try to either use that little head massager, or I just massage with my fingers when I can, when my hair is out, and that helps bring your hair and your scalp and everything to life. So that is also another thing that I do in my hair growth journey. Okay, so the next thing is using a satin scarf or a pillowcase. So I specifically say satin or silk scarf or pillowcase because that is all I use. I don't sleep with cotton things on my head. I don't sleep with any other material. I don't sleep on regular pillowcases with just my hair. I feel like using the satin pillowcase and having that, especially on my edges, keeps it from extra breakage that I wouldn't want. So having that gentle protection is amazing. And I wear my scarf and bonnet and whatever else as much as I can throughout the day. If my hair doesn't need to be out being affected by the air and any other materials, it will be in my satin scarf or bonnet. So I always protect my edges with that. My ends, everything is always covered. You guys know I do not go to sleep without covering my head. If I could wear my headscarf all day, I would. It helps my hair retain moisture especially. My hair does not dry out if I have a bonnet on. My hair does not dry out if I have a scarf on. My hair does not dry out if it's rubbing on my super smooth silky pillowcase all night. Speaking of pillowcases, silk pillowcases, I have a coupon code if you guys want to get one. It's great. This is the one I use. Check it out. Everything will be also in the description box. Okay, so the next thing is how I take care of my edges. My edges when I'm wearing wigs. So nowadays I do not use any glue on my hairline. I only use Got To Be Free spray, and that's it. So it is a very gentle adhesive. You literally spray it on and it sticks, and then at the end of the day you wash it off and it disappears. That is it. I wash my hairline with a gentle soap, like a black soap or anything else, like a bar soap, a natural bar soap, to get all of the gunk out of my hairline, to unclog my pores and allow my hair to grow nicely in the front while I'm using my oils. Don't forget the oils. But make sure your pores are unclogged when you're adding stuff on top of it. You don't want to add oil on top of the extra residue from your wig glue and your wig sprays. Clean your hairline, open up the pores, and then add the oil. That's what I do, at least. Okay, so the next product that has actually helped my hair grow is olive oil. So olive oil is a great strengthening oil. I use that on my hair strands. It helps keep moisture in my hair after I use my water leave-in conditioner. I put olive oil on top. It keeps it strong, helps moisture stay in, and it helps me reduce breakage, meaning I retain more length. So my hair strands have become stronger because of the olive oil. Okay, and the next thing I do is use edge controls that are gentle. So I either use all natural edge controls or edge controls that do not have any sort of harsh, sticky, hardening products or hardening ingredients to it. So my edges are not rock hard, they're always soft, and they are always quite light. I don't like to do too much on my edges, like I said, because I don't want it to feel too heavy. The one that I use is the Belle Rocher edge control. It is amazing. I've made a video on this. If you're interested in watching that, I will link it down below. But it is so good. They use natural ingredients and it is long lasting, super strong, but also gentle and good for you. So those are my 10 things that actually, those are my 10 simple things that actually have helped my hair grow. This is for me, so it is relative. So I know that it may not work for some people, and some people may say you can't force your hair to grow, you just got to leave it alone, it's genetic. Whatever you think it is, I'm not sure, but this is my routine and I can only be fair by sharing it. So you take what you want and you try what you will, and let me know how it goes for you. But these are my suggestions and these are the only things that I could truly with all my heart recommend, unless I forgot something. But these are my 10 go-to things that came to my head right away. So if you're wondering how you could excel your hair growth, these are the 10 things that I feel like you need. And if you drop one of these things, I don't know if it'll work. These are my top, like, holy grail hair growth regimen items and things that I do. So I do not skip out on any of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to make it quick and to the point just to give you the answers. So that is it for this video. Follow me on Instagram if you want to stay connected with me. Tag me in your hair growth journeys. If you have any questions, you can message me on Instagram. Please be patient. Sometimes it takes me time to get to all of them, but I will probably eventually respond in a timely manner, okay? So follow me there, connect with me. Thank you guys so much for being here and spending time with me today and listening to me talk. I hope this was helpful. And I'm gonna go because I'm talking so much and I talk so fast, and I will see you guys later. Bye.